guys, this video is just me cutting and doing stuff on my candy hands. Now, let's start. So first, I use Camtasia Studio 9, GIMP to make thumbnails, and Google of course to upload videos. I first open Camtasia, which is my editor currently, and I import videos or stuffs that I needed for the video. In this video, I'll be using the Ghoul's Homestore candy hand as an example, but I'll upload the candy hand first before I upload this one. These three are the ones that I needed. Second, I put Longing Joachim Carud as my song on each one of my candy hands video. I delete this part, which is like the gradually, slowly goes down, something, and then copy paste the music 3 times, just like this. Now, first I put the thumbnail of the Homestore, and then put like a little few seconds right there, and then import the video itself to the video. I click more, visual effects, then put the clip speed into the video. I don't know, with video. I enter 1.75. Then I delete a part when I don't move in the first place, and then continue doing the Homestore. In this part, I delete the parts that I don't do much, or like I don't collect any candies at all. I cut this part by clicking delete. Now on this part, I wanna do zooming on effect just to show the audience how or where the candy is. I click Control on the keyboard and then scroll down using the mouse scroll button in the mouse. Then move it on the candy above. This is the result. And continue editing the video. Now, on this part, I don't have things to do, or I didn't collect any candy, so I delete this part. And then move it again so it connects. And then I collected the candy again. And also this one, I deleted this part. I didn't collect any candy at all. So I did that method again. Now, in every Homestore, I saw many things like this, a message from an NPC. So whenever I chat with an NPC, I delete the parts when I talk with them, and then ends it when I end the conversation. When I want to add a text, I just click annotation, click this thingy, and then drag it on the video, and then double click and then type whatever I want to type. Now I end this part because it's like the end of the clip, and I know that there's nothing left on it, so I deleted that and then collected the other media, and then put clip speed effect again, and then entered 1.75 times as the speed of the video. Sometimes I put it on 1.5 whenever I go on mazes, but this maze is just like easy one, so I didn't really put 1.5. Now, when I enter Royal High, or the Roblox loading game screen is so slow, so I deleted the part and then I did that, just like the method that I did earlier. And then adjusted the video so y'all can see it. Now, to end the video of the Homestore, I delete that and then left a small space or a few seconds on the video and then deleted the music. So it stops right there. But wait, before I save the video, I save the project first because sometimes our computer just shuts down instantly without a warning. Then I saved it again. And then I waited to render the video. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial or a video, or I keep saying video but I'm so sorry. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe and we reach 5,000 subscribers. Like, oh my gosh. Thanks guys. Hope you enjoy. See you on the next video. I hope. Bye.